So a student obtains a sharp image of a distant window W of a school laboratory on the screen S using the given concave mirror M to determine its focal length. Which of the following distance should be measured to get the focal length of the mirror? So these are the options: M and W, that is distance between the concave mirror and the image formed at the window. And the second option is M and S, distance between the concave mirror and the screen. And the next option is S and W, that is screen distance between S and W. And the last option is MW minus MS. So the correct option will be, first we will understand about the focal length of the mirror. What is the focal length of the concave mirror? Focal length is used to denote the difference between the principal axis, that is P, and the focus F of a concave mirror. So the answer should be M and S. Distance between the concave mirror and the screen is the distance to get the focal length of the mirror.